this is the great Rasko.
Yeah.
Rasko.
You know, so we're there up on the road, we have got a funeral, you see me? We have to put down the grandfather, and then after that, we all our vibes and party. And me two girls took you know a thing, you see me?
Yeah.
So the road set, you see me? I say? Yeah, we are the team out, that means the dream out, you see me? I say? Up and everything, you see me? Everything alright.
So we're going to talk about loyalty, that talk about.
Yeah, loyalty and no money, brother.
Yeah.
And no material things. Loyalty. Respect your brethren and your brethren respect you. You don't need more than that to go through life. See me?
Yeah.
Put material things and money things aside, because at the end that money can't do nothing for you, you know, your friends can't do it, because no matter the amount of money you have, and money can't get up and spend itself, so somebody have to do it if spend it. So loyalty is better than money, brother.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, more than money.
More than money.
Yeah.
You see me? Loyalty and life, brother.
And they have enough people and money loyalty them have.
Yeah.
Them loyal to money because they have money, so they loyal to you.
Yeah, some people come around see dream or work, but they don't know hard work where you put in, because of money friendship and money loyalty they have. You see me? So you have to know them thing there. And I saw ground set with enough people. Most people don't love nobody again, they love money and they love where you can give it them, and they love likes and where you have around you. And that they love you for your big house and a big car. You see me? And they love you for your fame and the fortune where you work and get.
But they don't really rate you.
Yeah, they don't really rate you for yourself. They just rate you through material things, and you see me? Them things. So you have to know. You see me? That's a part of life. Some people naturally stay. You see, and everybody loyal to the end. You see me? Some people only loyal for 15 minutes. Because they want the fame them. You see me? Some people loyal for 20 minutes. Over the same thing. Some people loyal for a day. So you have to understand the people. And a natural life that you still can't beat them, because yo, I just know say loyalty exceed enough things where
no. And this is very important, because guess what now? You see, even though we are talking about loyalty, you have a next level to it. You see, when a man makes certain commitment and people make certain commitment, a girl put it on paper. Because the law run the land. You understand? People can be a man and say you're a real man and my word, we stand by my word and this and that. But that no work in a court.
No.
So if somebody really say a certain thing, a serious again thing a certain way where you understand, we are looking for build or something on that, you need to put it on paper and sign that. So if we ever have a disagreement and one time you ever say, yo, and you did say this, you know, and you sign to it, you understand? So we have a deal there, so boy, when we go to it, we say, alright, me and you are going to take on a mission. And when we accomplish this mission, you are going to get 50% I think, and me I get 50% I think. Put it on paper.
That means
so if when you get it and you are going to beat in a problem, see it, so we have an agreement. The thing is, we have an agreement from day one.
That means no conflict of interest.
We don't have no conflict. Thing upon paper. So that's my advice to people. Law run land, and more time when people, I mean, all the girls are coming to you and say, you one and they will love you forever and this and write it, sign to it, put it on paper. So when things happen, you can show her and say, you see?
And then this love thing is underrated.
Alright.
You see me? I come back down to what we were talking about earlier with loyal. Some people only loyal and a point. See me? Some people constabulary force on the road. Them no loyal neither. See me? Them no loyal. So it's just about loyalty, brother, and everything come back down to loyalty.
Alright.
You see me? Because if you have to put it to royalty, it's not going to work. So it just come back down to loyalty.
That's it, people. Loyalty.